In this exercise, we will learn about number input fields. We have now gone over two type attributes for input related to text, but we might want our users to type in a number, in which case we can set the type attribute to, you guessed it, to number value by setting type attribute to number value. For an input, we can restrict what users type into the input field to just numbers and a few special characters like minus, plus, and dot. We can also provide a step attribute which creates arrows inside the input field to increase or decrease by the value of the step attribute. Below is the code needed to render an input field for numbers. Here is our example code. And this code renders this right here. We have a label, years of experience, right here. Label with years of experience text inside. And then we have our input field, number input field. You see, it is type number, and it has the step attribute set to 1. Now it is time to apply this knowledge. Let's see. In index.html, we started a form for users to make a custom burger. Right now we have a label for patties that needs an associated input element. Let's see. And it is right here. Since we want users to enter a number, create an input and set the attribute. Let's first create our input field. Okay, and then set the attribute, associate the input to the first label by assigning the correct value to ID, of course. The value for this ID should be same as value for this for attribute right here. It is amount. Okay, then let's set this input field to be type number. Then let's set the step attribute to 1, and we forgot the name attribute, which is amount. Okay, let's click run. And here is our input field. You see, we cannot type letters now. We can type numbers. And you have these arrows here. You can type numbers by selecting those arrows. So this should be all for this exercise. Let's proceed to the next one.